This is my first attempt at cleaning up a Meerschaum pipe. This is an imp. And it's pretty dirty. I've already polished the stem. And that came out really nice. And it looks like this thing has a nylon or possibly a Delrin insert in the pipe itself. So I've already scraped out the inside a little bit, and I realize I'm not working with a piece of wood. And if I destroy it, hey, it's only a $100 pipe to start with, right? So what I've been doing here is scraping around the rim here with a razor blade, and it seems to be taking the darkness off. And I want to do this before I actually try to buff it. So you can see that's looking better than it was when I first started. So I'm going to go try buffing this and see what happens. I was taking the yellow off. It's going to take a while though. My buffing compound, it's not really white rouge, it's white compound for plastic buffing. It's what I use for all my car taillights and stuff. So it's looking pretty good. I actually used on the other side of my wheel over there, I have red rouge. Then I cleaned it with my towel so that most of the red rouge was gone. And then I used black, which is actually more aggressive. It's emery compound is what they call it. It's for taking off heavier deposits. So I'm done with that. Now I'm going to go back to the white buffing compound, which is, like I said, for plastics. So I think it's coming out pretty good. Got to work on the inside a little bit. I'm not going to clean out the black, but definitely going to clean around the top of the bowl a little bit more. I am done with this Meerschaum pipe. It is so difficult to work. It's like working soapstone. So what I did was I buffed it, and then I cleaned it with the emery compound, and then I cleaned it with a Scotch-Brite and some household cleaner, Bronner's citric soap, and then I buffed it with the white compound again, and then to get the discoloration out of the top here and some of the other discoloration that was still remaining on the pipe, I've used this, but it's not much more aggressive than using toothpaste, and you can use toothpaste in buffing certain things. Fine polishing cream for all metals, and apparently Meerschaum as well. So that's it. I'm not going to clean this anymore. Came out really good, I think. And be careful, Meerschaum. It's delicate stuff.